See, I fucking did it. And it's such a good result as well. I wasted so much currency on this. I wasted like 25 or 30 divines. And now it's finally finished. The perfect. Not, maybe not the perfect, but one of the better helmets for strength stacker that's using Val Riv, for example, or maybe something else. I don't give a fuck. And it costs, um, well, a lot. Let's check. Um, check this, for example, already 40 divines, but it does not have this. Uh, let's do that as well. And it's not found. And this is like, maybe not very important, but pretty fucking important. Um, yeah, the base is same. Uh, the enchant, maybe? The enchant is right here as well. And the difference is all right here. So even if the price won't change by adding this, I just crafted 40 divine helmet, 35 divine helmet. And this is my biggest craft yet. I feel accomplished. Um, right now, I'll just make a tutorial on Craft of Exile on how to do it, and you can make it as well. Good luck to you, Exile. So this is how you make it. You go to Pure Trade, you buy the space. Mine costed 1.5, but it went cheaper, I guess, since the time I bought it. You import it here, and now look. What you need to do. Um, the enchant is not here, right? Okay, let's imagine the enchant is here. Now, what you need to do is you need to make this rare. You can also use, to make it perfect, you can also use perfect fossils. And let's make it 30 quality. Oh, you didn't have to use aberrant, just my mistake. But yeah, okay, let's go back. Uh, aberrant, no. Oops. Um, we hit it right here. Okay, now the base is perfect. We just need to add Warlord influence. Warlord influence is right here. We add the influence, and we are looking for this thing right here. Now we need to use essences and rage. Start rolling like crazy. On this part only, I wasted like 20 divines minimum. So this is the craziest part. As said, you need to gain accuracy equal to your strength. Usually it's written down below, so you don't need to look at the upper part. Um, can I hit it? Like oh, here, here it is. This one. That's what we need. Now that we have hit this, let me also make it closer. Oh no, it looks ugly. Let's make it like that. Now we need to remove this suffix right here. This one. It 100% needs to have one open prefix and one open suffix. Boom! You just deleted your strings. Start over. Now we won't do that. We will just go back and annul the right string. I annulled strings so many times when I was doing it myself as well. I hated it. Now, accuracy is removed. Prefix is removed, it's fine. Strength is removed. Okay, we finally hit it. Like, look, it took like 5 or 6 attempts, and that's how many essences you need to use each time, approximately. Uh, so good luck on that part. But RNG is not finished here because now we need to craft suffixes. What's wrong with this thing? Uh, Suffixes cannot be changed. And we move on to harvest crafting. And we reforge critical. And now you see we have two of the modifiers from Warlord. And now we need to elevate it. Now this is another part of RNG because it's 50-50 and you might hit crit multiplier which bricks the item and you have to start over. Click on this and we got lucky. Okay, that's nice. Being lucky is cool. Now we have to craft suffixes cannot be changed again. And we need to repeat the same thing by reforging crit. Now that we have reforged crit and it's perfect, unlike mine is tier 2. I'm a little bit salty about it, but that's fine. Okay, now we got this, right? Mine hit tier 2 or something live, so I didn't need this part, but if your prefixes are meh, you need to prefixes cannot be changed. No, suffixes cannot be changed, my bad. I got brain lagged right there. Suffix cannot be changed. Veil orbit, and from here on there are different methods. I would craft mana, not from here, maximum mana, and unveil it. Now, level of AoE gems, increased area of effect. Now, you can take either this or that. Now let's look at what people have. Alberon, because people mostly use that with Alberons. We don't need this anymore. Check. So this guy doesn't have it. Socketed AoE gems. He has socketed AoE gems +2. Okay. But this guy does not have it. Socketed AoE. Okay. So socketed AoE, right? We take this, and next thing is we craft life on it. Where is life? Let's hit max. Oh, right here. So this helmet is even better than the one I have. So if mine sells for 40, you can sell this one for, I don't know, 50, 60? Because look at this perfection. Tier 1, tier 1, elevated, tier 1, crafted, the best roll. I mean, this helm is pretty nasty. So good luck to you if you want to craft this. It costs a lot, as you can see. Even on Craft of Exile, it costed 21k. Yeah, 2k Chaos Orbs. Yeah, but it didn't include the RNG of removing, annulling the right suffix and starting it over, or elevating the wrong mod, because it happened to me a lot of times. With the elevation, it happened to me like 3 times. So each elevation is 1 divine, plus you have to start from over, and I deleted a lot of good suffixes as well. So keep in mind that it costed 2k chaos orbs right here, but it might cost you 6 or 8k, like who knows. But 2k is minimum price if everything goes perfect for you. So good luck to you, Exile. If you want to craft the helmet, you now know how, and it definitely sells because all these people need something like that. Look, Berserks use it for Reeve. People also use it for Shockwave Cyclone, like this guy right here. He might not have +2 to AoE. Oh, he even has it. So yeah, it's very good. I'm pretty sure it will sell. See you in the next one.